We're having the best ice cream date. I just got in my car to leave though. And it's not starting, you guys. I'm trying really hard not to cry and to stay positive, but we haven't even had it back for a full week yet.
Thank you for watching, you guys.
Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? Did you have hip hop camp again? How was it?
Good.
Good. Did you have so much fun? Who got to come in with you today?
My teacher.
But who in your family came in with you?
Mommy.
Who went in your class?
I don't know.
Did Ken come with you? Yeah. So you guys, it is the dance studio that Kinley dances at, and so they let her go in with him today. Was it fun having her in there? Did you love it? Good. You guys, I am busy doing laundry and packing because we leave not tomorrow, but kind of. So we're going to do another middle of the night drive. It's just easier on the kids, especially with how hot it's going to be in Vegas where we're traveling to. We think the longer we can drive with the sun down before it gets too hot, the better. So I'm just packing, getting laundry done, getting things cleaned up, and you guys, we have some really fun plans today. Can Man, are you so sleepy?
Yeah.
How come?
I had a play date and I literally stayed up all night.
Sorry, there was a lot going on, but you had a sleepover? Are you exhausted?
Yeah, because we literally stayed up till midnight and then like 2 hours with the end.
So Carson and Canyon slept at some of their best buddies' houses, and they are tired today, huh? They are feeling it. But those friends, they're moving this summer, huh? So we're trying to get in as much quality time as we can before they move, but I think we'll still see them a lot.
Yeah, but we stayed up till like 3 to 4 a.m. playing video games with them.
Oh my goodness. Cody and Coda are out here doing motorcycle manly things. This is Coda's first dirt bike that he bought. He's got some work to do to it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we wanted to see if he could get it up and running.
Needs a new tire.
Yeah, tire pop.
Maybe 2.
Yeah.
And then new forks. This is bad.
Because of your crash.
A whole
You
new
ran
bike.
into the house, and this is supposed to go straight.
Yeah,
it's
see those bent forks?
Yeah, it's supposed to go like this, but it went boop.
That's how hard he hit the house. Thank goodness you were wearing what?
A helmet.
Are you allowed to ride that ever without a helmet? I'm so grateful every day we made that rule for him.
Well, you gotta wear the safety equipment if you're gonna use the heavy duty stuff.
You definitely do. So, they're doing manly stuff right now.
Yeah.
Proud of you. He's been working hard again today. But while they are busy doing that, McKinley just left with Shelby. Shelby is my sister, so Ken's aunt. And for her birthday, Shelby told her she would take her to get her nails done at a salon. So they are off having a super fun girls' day. And you guys, she was on cloud 9. She's been looking forward to it so much. And she was just so excited to go. So we'll have to hear updates from that because I guarantee she is in heaven right now. My goodness, Miss Caroline. Well, are we going on an ice cream date? Woo woo. Okay, we just have lots of fun stuff going on today. This is my beautiful niece, Caroline. What have you been working so hard to do?
To go poop on the bigger body.
You guys, she has been potty training, and she is doing amazing. And I told her, Aunt Ken said, when you go 2 whole days with no accidents, where will we go? To ice cream. I told her if she could be a big girl and go potty, that I would take her to get ice cream. So me and my beautiful niece Caroline are going to get ice cream right now, and I'm so excited. Are you? It's gonna be awesome. Did you get vanilla? That's so yummy, Care. We're on our ice cream day. So much fun eating our ice cream, huh? We're having the best ice cream date. I just got in my car to leave though, and it's not starting, you guys. I'm trying really hard not to cry and to stay positive, but we haven't even had it back for a full week yet. And I personally know the mechanic who fixed it, and I know he's amazing and he's a stand-up guy and he knows what he's doing. So, oh, dang it guys, I don't know what's happening. This, you can see nothing, like the battery's not dead because lights are coming on, but like the engine isn't making any noise. Oh boy. Nana, Papa, and Co to the rescue.
What's that? Hopefully.
We're hoping it's just the battery. The car won't start, huh?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah.
Ken and End are having fun eating pizza, huh? Okay, my dad has the mechanic who fixed our engine on the phone, and then it just so happens that another mechanic was just at the restaurant right here, and he's under the hood with Cody and my dad helping out. You guys, people are so good. This sweet random guy who's at the restaurant that we're at that just happens to be a mechanic that stopped, he just fixed it. So he's showing my dad and Cody what we need to go home and fix right now. Hopefully we can get it all squared away because we're driving like 600 miles in 2 days.
Got it running. It was just grounding out. It wasn't, a bolt wasn't tight. So simple fix. So glad that that wasn't anything worse because we're going to Lake Las Vegas like in 2 days, like practically 1 day. So that would have been horrible not having our van. Dodged a bullet with that one. So I just made home. I want to show you guys real quick what happened. It wasn't starting, like it wasn't turning over at all, like nothing would happen. It like tiny little click, and the lights were working in the cab, everything was working in there, so we figured maybe it just needed to jump. And so we hooked it up to Papa's car. He showed up and nothing, still wasn't starting. And I noticed that there was a spark down there every time they'd try to start it. There was a spark. And so some guy showed up, and luckily he was a mechanic, and he's like looking at a couple things, and I showed him that it was sparking down there, and he stuck his hand down there, and there was a grounding wire that wasn't tightened down. So he tightened it up, tried it, and it started. So now I just got to tighten it all the way here, and we should be good to go. We're way down there. Got her fixed. And what did you just do? You went with Shelby. Thank you, Shelby. Girls' night.
We got ice cream.
Awesome.
Yeah, we got ice cream and pizza.
You are
I got strawberry ice cream with sprinkles.
That's so fun. Yeah, girls' night with Shelby and India. So fun.
Did you have the best girls' night? Why did Shelb take you out?
For my birthday present.
It was your birthday present? Got your nails done, you got pizza and ice cream?
Lucky.
Oh my goodness, look at those nails, you guys.
But we got to fix our van.
Oh. Did
Pretty
you tighten
lucky.
that up?
Tightened it all up. Should be
Oh.
good as gold.
A couple things really quick here. Shelby just told the funniest story. She was talking to Ken and Indy tonight, and she said, for our next girls' night, should we go to Hawaii? And they were totally just having fun, and she was joking. But she said, we'd have to go on an airplane. And Kinley said, I have an eye mask for the airplane. And India said, and I have unicorn boots. Did you have so much fun, sis? Being the only girl with 4 brothers, it's fun to get a girls' night, huh?
Yeah.
I'm so glad you had fun. But then the second thing I wanted to talk about is I am just so stinking grateful for that guy that just so happened to be at the ice cream place that we were at because he saved us. The sweet mechanic that put the new engine in our car, he feels terrible. He's been on the phone with my dad all night. He wants me to bring the car down in the morning just to triple check everything. So, you guys, we have a long road trip coming up and we need a safe, functioning car that's gonna get us from point A to point B. So, I'm just so grateful for that mechanic that happened to be at the restaurant, and I'm so grateful that we have such a kind, cooperative one that helped us. That
Yeah,
he's like...
It was super awesome. We were just looking at it and he walked up. Hey, you guys need some help? So nice.
Immediately found what was wrong.
Yeah.
You guys, answered prayers, I'm telling you. Right when Caroline and I got in the car and I tried to start my car and it didn't make a noise, I just sat there for a second and then I was like, hey, Care, you want to say a prayer with Ken's? And we prayed really fast, and you guys, I'm telling you, answered prayer.
Oh, we got some summer fruits here. Malibu chicken.
We had to go easy tonight, you guys.
So yummy. Even though it's so simple, so quick, it's so good too.
Delicious,
It's
yeah.
delicious.
How is it?
Guys, that dinner was delicious.
Thank you. Ooh, it's dark.
So dark. Hold on. A little better.
A little bit.
But, guys, it's hard getting kids to bed in the summer because, as you can tell, it's still like bright outside and it's 8:45.
Cohen keeps saying, it's not bedtime
It is
yet.
bedtime because it's summer.
I don't have pajamas.
Oh, you need pajamas on, huh? Good idea.
Dad helped you brush your teeth?
Yep. All the kiddos' teeth are brushed. Now we said our prayers. Got to get them tucked in. It's
It's a
task
process.
every day.
It's a process.
Part of life. Getting kids to bed. Carson's over here jamming out.
What the heck is that?
You guys are crazy. Get in bed, you hooligans.
I'm a pirate.
Wrong way. Bed's over here.
You mean up there?
And you're up there. Come on. Pepper
ceiling.
always climbs in here to say goodnight to Cohen.
Yep.
Oh, Pepper. He's so cute. Every time he goes put all the kids to bed, he jumps in and like has to follow us to each kid. Cute dog. Oh, Pepper. Yeah. Okay, you gonna say goodnight to Ken?
I say for Las Vegas.
Good night. You excited?
Yeah, that's my stuffed animal.
You packed your bag already?
Yeah.
Nice.
All my stuffed animal. I'll
Peppers.
show you. I can't really take everything back out of this because I just put it all.
Night, Aspen and Wasatch. Good night, dude.
Good night.
Is it hard falling asleep with the sun kind of still bright out there?
Yeah.
Yeah, a lot easier when you wake up at 5:30 in the morning, huh? Pepper always has to say goodnight, huh?
Yeah.
Just follows us around. Good night, dude.
Good night.
Love you.
Love you.
Come on, Pep. Come on. Good night, guys. Where is everyone? Get in bed, you hooligans. Love you, Chloe. Good night. Kids are popping out of corners. Love you. Carson's been drawing over here. Got a stingray and a piranha.
And I've been drawing, but I have a lot of stuff.
Cool. Looking good, guys. Love you.
Sweet dreamies. Sweet dreamies.
Love you, man.
Love you. La 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 la.
Ba-la-la.
Ba la 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 la.
Well, guys, got him to sleep. Kenzie's about to fall asleep.
I'm so tired. Exhausted.
Yeah, but we love you guys.
So much. And please, if you are not subscribed yet, please do that. And make sure you come back the next few videos because they're going to be awesome.
For sure. Just so glad we got our van up and working. Like,
You
that's
guys-
such a huge blessing.
I can't talk about it or else I'll cry.
Yeah.
I'm fragile right now. Emotionally. I'm just super grateful, you guys. Feeling overwhelmed with gratitude tonight.
So awesome. Love you guys.
Bye.